Scientists are venturing into a fascinating area known as biomimicry, where they look to nature for solutions to human challenges. One remarkable project involves developing artificial organs that mimic natural ones, leveraging unique characteristics found in plants and animals. For example, researchers have studied the structure of leaves to create efficient filters for artificial kidneys. Another exciting development involves using 3D printed structures that replicate the intricate design of coral to produce accurate heart valves. This blending of nature's wisdom and cutting-edge technology could revolutionize organ transplant surgeries and enhance patients' lives dramatically. As nature inspires innovation, who knows what other health breakthroughs await?